Hey, what is up, guys? Alejandro back here again, and today is the very second part of the PC rebuild. So back in May 30th, I bought a graphics card. I did get to use it, but my computer died very shortly, and it had nothing to do with the graphics card like I thought. You know, I was 100% confident that my graphics card was the problem, but no, it was actually a CPU connector, which is why my computer wouldn't post. So first, I'm only gonna get a new motherboard because, I can't really get everything else right now. And I'm thinking, I can just get the motherboard and everything else later. So, because I can't really afford it right now. I will be in about maybe later next week, hopefully. All right, so I'm heading over there. I'm going by myself. Mom has to go somewhere else, but that's okay because I can have enough time to look at other stuff. That is bright. For an always on display, that is kind of bright. So this is, oh, it's locked on? What color is it? It's I guess it's a purple or a black, I don't know. Oh, that's a space black color. I think this is the purple one. But Best Buy, they just locked it on there. Can't really take it off. So that's purple, space black. I prefer space black. Actually.
But they didn't have them over here, right?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That is so lame. They just they have it locked on there really good. And here's the iPhone 14. So it looks like I can't really take them off because Apple's not that cool. I mean, Best Buy's not that cool. Best Buy is pretty lame today. Here's a MacBook Air, M2 MacBook Air specifically. About this Mac. Yeah, I'm good. Pay attention to what button I press. This is red, but it's blue. It's blue, but it's red. It's weird. Something must have been messed up. Alright, enough goofing around. They don't actually have the processor I want. They have this one, but I don't want it. I want the 5600G. I don't see that anywhere. Not even down there. The motherboard, however, it's a B550 Gaming Plus. They are in stock. There's 3 of them right there. And RAM, okay. That's the RAM. Actually, no, that's not the RAM. It's like the same price, but I'm trying to look for it. I don't see it nowhere. I might just go with that one. So I can go to 3200 megahertz. So power supply. No, never. We're not doing that again. Got a bronze. No. I'm trying to look for that other one. The one I want is not exactly here. I'm looking for like a gold rated power supply, but like gold rated are like really expensive. They are not cheap. So I can't get it right away. Yeah. Alright, so I got the RAM and the motherboard and an Apple Pencil. This is a very important component for the gaming PC. It needs to have an Apple Pencil. No, my mom has an iPad Pro, and you know, I just wanted to like try this out. Maybe she wanted to try it out as well. I don't know. Do you want to try it out? All right. I don't know. You didn't buy it at first. You're like, oh no, I don't need it. Yeah. They sell two different ones. So one of them's not compatible with the iPad she has. The new, it's a 5th generation iPad Pro, so it would not be compatible. The 1st generation would not be compatible. It's the 2nd generation. So yeah. All right, so we're gonna go into the car wash because we got a little bird poop in there in the windshield. All right, so. Can't see it. Is a wheel even on the thing? Should be. Oh, yes, to like turn it. Okay, now it's starting to move. Alright. It's going into the car wash. They're moving us. Yeah, we're gonna get rained on. Woohoo! Yeah! Let's go. We got the soap and everything. Soap. We gotta get it on the windshield. Yeah. I can't see anything. There you go. Oh, the bird poop's gone. Thank God. No. Get rained on again. And got a blow dryer. Dry us off. Bunch of them. We got a whole lot of them. We got one up there. We got a lot of them up there. More right there. So we're gonna get the sides blown. See all that? They're blow dryers. Yeah. Tire shine. Ready, get set, go. All right, guys, so I just ordered the power supply. It's gonna be here Thursday, and I had to get the CPU as well. I had to get my mom to buy it because I couldn't really afford it myself. I have to pay her back though, so that should be here Wednesday. I'm gonna get the CPU first. Or maybe I might get them at the same time. That would be really cool, but I don't know. I don't make the rules here, right? And things don't always go to plan, right? Could come earlier or later. You know, I would prefer if they came around the same time. But what can you do? Am I right? So I'm gonna wait for that, and I can do the PC rebuild. I'm gonna keep everything in the box. I still have it in the box, so I'm gonna wait until all that comes in, and I'll unbox everything. My graphics card has also been in the box as well. I just put it back in the box because, you know, I wasn't going to use it anytime soon, and I wanted to keep it safe from everything else because I need it. All right, so the computer works. It's working really good, actually. I did try out GTA 5. I reinstalled it again because I deleted it and then reinstalled it shortly after. I've played a few games and they all run really good. You know, I'm really impressed with the performance, you know, because my GT 730 is kind of garbage. So soon I plan on getting an M.2 SSD and RGB fans, because like if you really like look over here, I mean, there's not a whole lot of RGB. It's only like RGB in that chipset right there. So get more RGB fans to make it look more colorful and beautiful. And oh my god, RGB makes the computer faster. And oh yeah, and 2 new monitors. I tried to use this one, but it was defective. And my brother is using the other one that I had before. So this is like a different monitor. So yeah, I'm getting 2 new monitors to replace both of these. And they're gonna be the same monitor, so you know, no more mismatching monitors. It's a good thing. And these speakers are just some speakers from that box that I had from the Dell video when I did the Dell Optiplex video. Yeah, they're actually really good. I ain't gonna lie. The sound quality is amazing. I didn't think it'd be amazing, but it is actually really good. So yeah, they've been in the box for like 2 months already, and my brother took them out and used them because the speakers I had, they didn't really work, so I had to get these. I actually ordered new speakers because I thought those didn't work, and then I had to get a refund, which is not even gonna come right away. I have to wait maybe a couple hours, days, I don't know. Have to wait a little bit for that to come back. I also want to upgrade the graphics cards to a 3060. I know there's probably going to be like a 4060 coming out, but like I've heard about the 4080 and 4090. That shit's expensive. Like if that's even more expensive, imagine what the 4090s, the 4060 is going to be. That's going to be way too damn expensive. So once again, guys, the rebuild process is on the main channel, so go check that out. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.